does have to go off the line. Now keep in mind, everybody, after this train does pass our station, does clear out the line, we will be having another train coming to pick you up in about 15 minutes after this one leaves the station, everyone.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures from the infection section, where you can get up close and personal with animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by live animals or one of our animators. The tradition of animals and animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for conservation. He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy, from animation to conservation, to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day. As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and our highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspire animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more. Did you know Bambi was the first animated film to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. This tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world to observe animals in their own surroundings. And that includes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
We are now approaching Conservation Station at Rafiki's Planet Watch. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and please be sure to watch your children as you exit. Go well and explore.
Remember everyone, we are approaching the station at Rafiki's Planet Watch. Remain fully seated until cast member opens the door for you. This train is transportation to bring you here. Once you are done exploring around, the train will take you right back to Harambe, Africa. At this station, we have the petting area. There's some animals exhibits and the animation experience which is a drawing class. The train runs to the stations every 5 minutes. Once again, it is transportation to bring you here. Once you are done exploring around, the train will take you right back to Harambe, Africa. That being said, welcome everyone to Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express. Para que tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados.